Today, I'll make a text highlight effect. I'll also show how to make paper look aged. Let's start the tutorial. First, import the screenshot of the book. Then import two texture images. Drag the book into a new composition as paper. Drag the texture above the book. Press S to scale it up. Add the dynamic tile effect. Increase the height. Click on the edge. Change the mode to multiply. It looks like paper now. Drag in another texture image with noise. Enlarge it to the same size. Also add the dynamic tiling effect. Same operation as before. Add a curve effect. Raise the highlights. Press T to reduce opacity. Create a new adjustment layer. Create text highlight effect. Add stroke. Click the pen tool. Draw several paths on the text. Select mask 1. Choose a color. Adjust brush size. Properly adjust the coverage area. Change mode to multiply. The text appears. Use the same method to highlight other text. Click to end all masks. Set keyframes from 0 to 100. If the stroke order is checked, the highlight effect will appear gradually. Otherwise, it will appear simultaneously. This method works for multiple lines of text appearing. Create a new main composition. Drag in the book composition. Open 3D. Create a new 35mm camera. Press R and Shift S to bring up rotation and scaling. Adjust position and angle. Push the camera tool forward. Pan. Press AA on the camera to open depth of field. Adjust aperture and focal length. Press P and Shift A to create keyframes. Effect complete.